Today I'm finally getting started on the roof. First we're gonna get it cleaned up. The sealant needs to come off. We already took the rubbers off yesterday evening. The inside of the ceiling is a bit moldy, so we also want to clean that. And I'm going to sand it so we can fully prep it for painting. To clean it, I'm going to use this stuff. We already did a test part and it looked really good already. So I'm really curious to see how it will look when it's fully cleaned. So here in the bottom you can see the part that I already cleaned, and it looks a lot brighter and cleaner than the rest of the roof. So hopefully the rest will look just the same by the time I'm done with it today. First things first, there's a lot of sealant still on the corners where we took the rubbers off. So the first thing I'm going to do is to get that part off before I continue with the rest of the roof. When there are some larger chunks left, that's actually quite satisfying when they come up completely. But the rest just sucks, to be honest. As an impatient person, I would say that this is looking quite good. So I'm going to go to the next part, which is cleaning all the fabric that's on the inside of the roof. And then I'll see what the rest of the guys think. So these are my best friends of today. During the video you'll see Joost and Wim pop up a few times. It's not that they were lazy, it was just a regular work day for them. I took the day off to clean the rooftop. So one thing to be careful about, there are a few spots like this, and if you hit them with the pressure washer, well, they're gonna get a little bit bigger. So this is quite contained still, but ideally I wouldn't hit those places with the pressure washer. Would you look at that? Joost and Wim were kind enough to help me turn it around. So now we can do the upside, see how clean it gets. Woo!
vervelende siliconenkit als je de hechting
Yeah, so now that the roof is clean you can see it pretty well, but here's a part that just won't come off. And here's another strip that won't come off. So Joost, what's your professional opinion about this sealant?
Well, it is sticking pretty well, that's for sure, which I guess is a good thing, but for now I don't like it very much.
We already cleaned the luggage rack the previous day. You can see there's still a sticker on there that we first had to take off. If you like the t-shirt that I'm wearing at this video, you can buy one with a similar print on our web shop. You can find the link for this in the description. Now, would you look at that? I think it's all finished for today. At least it's cleaned for today. So tonight we're going to fix all the cracks in the roof that we think are necessary. But for now, look at this result. Ta-da! Now when you first see this, you could be like, oh, why are we even fixing this? But look at this. And you can see also this little scratch part. I don't know what happened to the roof because it's well, it's second-hand and it's not ours from the beginning. But something definitely happened here to scrape it, and hopefully the paint will fill it up nicely. So one of our biggest challenges still is this crack here. It's completely through, so we need to fix that. The idea now is to use an aluminum strip and then fill it up with epoxy resin, and hopefully that will fix it up for good. Ian helped us out with his metal bending skills again to make a perfectly fitting aluminum strip for the roof. One of the corners for the luggage rack had already been repaired before, but we didn't like how it was done. So we took it off again so we could make a better fix for it. Ietsje minder dan 120.
Ja, echt hard.
Ja. Dit roert ook heel snel. Zo, dit is afgevallen.
We applied pieces of glass fiber layer by layer to make it super strong again. Zou we straks wel met de kast even aandoen?
Meer soppen. Ja.
Ja, echt. Good morning. As you can see, it has hardened quite a bit. It's still a little bit flexible, but it is pretty strong. So we have now done the inside. We can now continue with the outside.
In the next video we'll show you how we fix the other sides, and we're finally starting with painting the roof, which is super exciting and we can't wait to show you. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video to see the latest updates. See you next time!